What's up, people? Ever while watching a movie, got a thought in mind how great it would be if you could just click on that word, that one difficult word in the subtitle, and get to know the meaning of it? Or probably while watching a movie in a different language altogether, just click on that subtitle and change the translation to it. It would be so great. Well, I don't know about you guys, but it happens a lot of time with me, and I'm sure that there would be few people like me who would be facing this issue as well. So today I'm going to actually talk about a tool which is going to help you guys learn the language while you watch movies. The name of the tool is Language Learning with Netflix. The reason I have actually decided to make this video today after I received a great response from you guys for one of my Netflix video. If you have not watched that particular video, I'm gonna link it somewhere in the corners. You can go ahead and check it out. But coming back to the topic, so it would be so great actually, because a lot of times when we watch the movies, the subtitles have some difficult word or some striking word, and we want to actually know what is the meaning of it. So without any delay, I'm going to take you guys to my laptop screen. Let's get started. It's a Chrome extension. It's a free Chrome extension, so don't worry about the paid ones. I'm just going to show you rundown how can you actually install it and how you can go ahead and watch the movies and get to know the language and learn new languages. So let's get started. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you might as well consider hitting on that bell icon besides that. That would just motivate me to create more and more videos like this for you. So let's get started.
Here we are on the desktop screen. All you need to do is go on Google and type language learning with Netflix. The moment you come on the screen, you will need to open the first two tabs. That is, this is the Chrome extension. I've already opened it. And this is the official website from language learning with Netflix.com. So let's go to the website first and have a look what exactly does it say. So the moment you land up on this website, there would be a introduction video. I see a 44-second of video giving you the gist of what exactly is language learning with Netflix.com, and some information about the product. Well, they're saying we are still improving the extension, but I also see that there are a lot of brands who have shared their testimonials. Okay, now let's move to the Chrome extension. On this particular screen, which is currently not appearing, all right, you just need to go ahead and click on add to Chrome button, and allow the permission. I'm really sorry about the internet speed. So yeah, after installing, it is automatically so as you see over here, it has been installed, and it is redirecting us to a page that is with the LLN instructions. Yeah, all right. So over here is the page where you can actually get to know. It's a quick guide how, what are the tools and how can you use them. It's pretty simple. Another part is you can actually go ahead and control this tool with your keyboard as well. So if, in case you do not have the mouse handy, you can go ahead and do that. And in the settings option, it says in the settings option we'll find additional keyboard shortcuts. So I'm gonna show you how that works. Now I'm gonna go on Netflix. So one thing I want to tell you guys is basically, though you will be able to see the Netflix screen on the video right now, and you would not be able to see when I play that movie, because the ones who don't know, Netflix has a really good security system which actually provides, or provides, I should say, like restricts the users to record the videos. You can try it on your mobile phone as well, your mobile screen recorder. It will not record Netflix, because Netflix can ban you for that, or doing that. That is not allowed. So you would not be able to see the movie. You would be able to see the subtitles which are changing on the screen. But yeah, you cannot. I cannot just go ahead and record whatever is happening on my screen in terms of when I'm watching the particular movie or series or TV show or stuff like that. So that is one thing which you guys need to remember. Though you will be able to see the changes on subtitles. Let's say I pick up Howl. This is the one which I was watching recently. So the moment you land up on this page, it's going to ask you what's your native language. I'm going to go ahead and select English and say OK. Now it's loading, and as you can see, there are subtitles which are mentioned over here. So this is how the interface is going to look. The moment you click on this word, let's say, what happens?
Restart.
It speaks the word, and it gives you the synonyms for that word. But let me just show you if the subtitles, are they changing? Let me just go here and play. So I don't know if you're able to hear. Let me just raise this volume. I'm just gonna go and do a bit forward. As you can see, the screen is playing, but I cannot record it. I cannot record it because it is not allowed for Netflix users to do that. It is not good, and Netflix can ban your account for that. So the screen recorder of mine as well is not able to show the recording, but as you can see, the subtitles are changing and the screens were able to change. As I said earlier, you can just go ahead and click on that particular word to understand what does that subtitle mean. Let me just show you. This is a scene which is appearing. Alright, so let's say wonder or time, home. There is no difficult word which I can see over here. Let's pick any word. Okay. Let's say we pick up chuckles and click on chuckles. It will show you the synonyms, the usage. I think it is the usage is only shown for few of the words, because I was able to see the last one which we saw. It did not show us the usage of that particular word. Then there are different dictionaries which are mentioned over here. As you see, I'm going to just click on this and check what exactly does it take us to. So you have the entire postmortem of that word. You don't need anything else, I guess. Let's see what are the other tabs. There is also Wiktionary. Yeah, I forgot about Wiktionary. Wiktionary is another dictionary that you get over here. It's quite handy. As I said, like it's a handy tool to understand and to improve your English skills and know any particular meaning of any particular word, and stuff like that. Another thing which I wanted to tell you guys was the settings. So in these settings, you can go ahead, as it was shown in the previous, the page on their website. You can see there are additional keyboard shortcuts over here, and there are additional settings. You can have a look at them. Well, I think that's pretty much about it, guys. Again, I'm saying that you can see that the words, the subtitles are playing over here, and so is the movie, but you won't be able to see anything on the screen. So please don't fall for that, but this is a great tool, guys, to use, and it will actually improve a lot of English. That was it from my end. Anything else I'm forgetting? Yeah, one more thing. You can just turn off the subtitles from here over here. Yeah, that was the last thing. So yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button, guys. That was all from my end for now.
So that was my video about how can you actually learn new languages while you watch Netflix. If you like the video, please hit the like button, guys, and if not subscribed, so please do subscribe to my channel. That would just motivate me to create more and more such kind of videos for you guys. If you have any queries regarding or any questions, you can reach out to me on my social media accounts. I'm gonna drop the links in the description below. And that's about it, guys. Well, I will be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching The Bearded Geek, the tools that increase productivity.